All right, so you want to whip up some healthy meals in a flash? I got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, meal prep is your best friend. Spend some time on the weekend chopping veggies, marinating proteins, and cooking grains. This will save you tons of time during the week. When it comes to cooking, think simple and quick. Stir fries are your go-to option. Throw some veggies, protein, and a flavorful sauce in a pan, and you've got a nutritious meal in minutes. Another time saver is sheet pan dinners. Toss your favorite veggies and protein with some seasonings, pop it in the oven, and voila! Don't forget about the power of one-pot meals. Whether it's a hearty soup, a flavorful curry, or a nutritious grain bowl, one-pot wonders are not only easy to make but also easy to clean up. Plus, they're great for using up leftovers. Now, let's talk about smart swaps. Instead of frying, try baking, grilling, or steaming your food. Opt for whole grains like quinoa or brown rice instead of refined carbs. And don't skimp on the herbs and spices. They add tons of flavor without extra calories. Lastly, listen to your body. Pay attention to portion sizes and eat mindfully. And remember, it's all about balance. Treat yourself occasionally, but make sure your everyday meals are packed with nutrients. So there you have it, quick, healthy meals made easy. With a little planning and some smart choices, you can nourish your body without spending hours in the kitchen. Happy cooking!